The signing tool is an easy-to-use tool that helps you quickly produce the correct signing block for your agreements or deeds, including deeds poll. The tool is currently available in the Corporations module, as well as the Mergers and Acquisitions, Business, Banking and Finance, Property, and Insolvency modules. To access the signing tool, navigate to the toolkit of the module homepage and select it to launch. Enter the details of your document type and parties to generate a tailored signature block from a bank of standard signing blocks for individuals, companies, partnerships, trusts, and managed investment schemes. First, select the type of document to be signed. You can hover over the information icons for additional tips and considerations to help you decide what would be the most appropriate for your matter. You can also access links out to additional guidance on electronic signing and on remote witnessing and signing under Section 127 of the Corporations Act during the COVID-19 pandemic using the tooltips at the top of the tool or in the information icons. Next, select the first party. Again, noting there are additional tips you can review next to some of the choices. At any time, if you don't know any of the party details, such as company name or ACN, or signatory name, you can just leave those fields blank. These will show up with square brackets in the final signing block. Next, select Add Party and add any additional parties to sign. Using the inputted information, the signing tool will produce your completed signing block. You can then download the completed signing block in Word or PDF and insert it into your document.